नौमती बाजाको जानकारी लिन हजुर समक्ष आएका छौं।
बाजा गाजाको लागि तपाईहरु आउनुभयो। बाजासँगै तपाईहरुलाई म भनिदिन्छु। भाइ बाजाहरु भित्रबाट निकालेर ल्याउँ त नानीलाई देखाइदिउँ बाजा।
सिक्न लिन हेर्न आकार छन्। लु हेर्नु नि त अब यही हो नै नौमती बाजा। यो चाहिँ पोथी सनै हो। यसले चाहिँ राग दिन्छ है। यसले चाहिँ स्वर मात्रै दिन्छ।
In Naumati, Nau means 9, which means that it is a combination of 9 musical instruments. It comprises of the following instruments: the Shanai, which is a kind of clarinet and are 2 in numbers. The female Shanai is responsible for the rag, while the male Shanai acts as a supporting instrument for the female Shanai. The next instrument is the Narsinga, which is made up of 2 pieces of curved copper tube with brass plating and is played by blowing air through its mouthpiece. Tyamko is a small drum-like instrument which is played with 2 pieces of sticks called gajo. The Damaha too comprises of 2 instruments, the male and the female. The female Damaha gives a stronger sound than the male Damaha. The Dholak is a large drum made of leather over both the ends and is played with both hands. Jhamta or cymbals are a pair of flat round dish-like instrument made of brass or bronze and is played by beating on each other. It acts as a coordinating instrument in the Naumati Baja. Naumati Baja is played especially during the traditional marriages as well as religious ceremonies like Devi Puranas and other happy occasions. It is now a slowly vanishing musical instrument due to the carelessness of the younger generation, which is an indirect consequence of modernity. Hence, this art form is in dire need of enrichment and preservation.
प्रारम्भिक चरणमा नौमती बाजा हाम्रो समाजमा कहिलेदेखि चलनमा आयो?
नौमती बाजाको सुरुवात चाहिँ पञ्चायत बाजाबाट सुरुवात भएको हो। अनि यो पञ्चायत बाजा चाहिँ देवतासँग हो। तिनीहरूलाई देवता भनेर मानेको हुन्छ, पाञ्चायन देवता। द्वापरमा कृष्ण जन्मोत्सवको बेलामा बाजा बजाएको त्यो बेला पनि पाइन्छ। कालान्तरमा पञ्चायत बाजा नौमती बाजामा गएर परिणत भएको हो।
नौमती बाजाको के महत्त्व छ?
नौमती बाजाको महत्त्व ठुलै महत्त्व छ। नौमती बाजा हाम्रो लोक बाजा हो। यसले हाम्रो संस्कृतिमा टेवा पुर्याउँछ।
नौमती बाजा हाम्रो समाजमा कुन पर्वहरूमा बजाइन्छ?
Naumati Baja is a comprehensive form of Panchai Baja which dates back to the Dwapar Yuga or during the incarnation of Lord Krishna. The Panchai Baja is a group of 5 musical instruments which represents the 5 Hindu deities called the Panchayan Devta, including Ganesha, Vishnu, Shiva, Devi and Surya. Today, Naumati Baja plays an important role in our lives. It is the backbone of our traditional folk music. It is played during traditional marriages, religious ceremonies like thread ceremony of sons, Durga Puja, sowing of paddy, to name a few. However, sadly, due to the modernization of our society and the influence of modern instruments, our Naumati Baja is on the verge of extinction. Hence, the responsibility lies on the younger generation to preserve our rich culture and heritage. Naumati Baja is played during the Navratri festival as a mark of respect to goddess Durga. It is a symbol of joy and celebration and is played during the traditional marriage ceremonies of the people of the hills. It is also a major attraction during tourism festivals in the hills. Further, it is a source of entertainment for the local people during celebrations and happy occasions. Sowing of paddy, which is an extremely tiring activity during the monsoon, is definitely made easy and fun when accompanied by Naumati Baja.
Go.
We, the students of Government Secondary School, Sudinlaka Renok, East Sikkim, present the music from Naumati Baja with the theme Ek Bharat Shresth Bharat. If we have to talk about our society, the Naumati Baja is rapidly vanishing music from our society due to modern music. The entire project was a very new and unique endeavor for all of us, and the journey till date was not an easy but nevertheless it is enjoyable and equally enlightening one. Lot of research was required which was fruitful as we received much needed cooperation from all the knowledgeable people of the society.
हामी सिकाउन आएर उनीहरू एक्सपिरियन्स नभएको हो नि त हाम्रो त हाजिरा माया मारेर हामी त सिकाउन आएकै हो त्यो हो नि त कुरा चाहिँ
We are greatly thankful to Sri Bhim Bahadur Dorji of Tarpin, Sri Man Bahadur Dorji of Jorthang, Sri Tara Prasad Bhattarai, Gola Bhattarai, Subhas Kakle of Taratang, Srimati Madhu Sharma of Sudinlaka, and our respected headmaster, Sri Subhas Giri, and all the dedicated teachers and friends.